Borderline personality disorder, signs you might be missing. Subscribe to Mind Health and You for clear insights into mental health. Borderline personality disorder, BPD, affects emotions, self-image, and relationships. This video explores subtle signs of BPD that are often misunderstood. Knowing these signs can help you understand if this condition resonates with you or someone close. Disclaimer: this content is for informational purposes only and does not replace professional advice. Please consult a mental health provider if you are concerned about BPD or mental health. 1. What is borderline personality disorder, BPD? BPD is a condition that affects emotional regulation, making it hard to manage intense feelings and impulses. This can create unpredictable patterns in behavior, relationships, and self-esteem. Understanding what BPD is and isn't can help distinguish it from other mental health issues. 2. Common signs of BPD. Here are some key signs that may point to BPD. Fear of abandonment. People with BPD often worry about being left or rejected. This fear can create sudden changes in relationships and behavior to avoid feeling abandoned. Unstable relationships. Relationships can feel like a roller coaster, shifting between intense closeness and distance. Unclear or shifting self-image. People with BPD often struggle with a stable sense of self, which can lead to frequent changes in values, goals, and interests. Impulsiveness. Those with BPD may act impulsively in response to emotions, often making decisions without considering the consequences. Emotional intensity and mood swings. Intense emotions that shift quickly are common, making it difficult to feel stable. Feelings of emptiness. A persistent feeling of emptiness or being hollow is often reported. Anger and frustration. Intense anger over minor issues can feel overwhelming or uncontrollable. 3. BPD impacts daily life. BPD can affect many areas of life. Work and career. The difficulty in managing emotions can create conflicts at work or challenges in long-term career paths. Relationships. Close relationships can become strained due to intense emotions and sudden shifts in closeness. Self-esteem and self-identity. Frequent changes in self-image can create confusion and impact confidence. 4. Recognizing BPD in yourself. Consider these questions. Do you feel strong reactions to perceived rejection? Do you often fear being abandoned in relationships? Do you experience intense emotions that shift quickly? Do you feel persistently empty or unfulfilled? If you relate, it may be helpful to speak to a mental health professional for further insight. 5. Tips for managing BPD symptoms. Here are some strategies to help manage symptoms. Mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness can help calm emotions and reduce impulsive responses. Set boundaries. Healthy boundaries help stabilize relationships, making them easier to manage. Dialectical behavioral therapy. DBT is a therapy specifically for BPD, helping to manage emotions, build healthy relationships, and improve self-awareness. Build a support network. Surrounding yourself with understanding people can provide comfort during difficult times. Self-compassion. Practicing self-kindness and patience can reduce shame and help you accept yourself. 6. When to seek professional help. If BPD symptoms interfere with your daily life, relationships, or self-identity, reaching out to a mental health professional can help. Therapy, especially DBT, offers practical techniques for symptom management, self-discovery, and relationship building. Final thoughts. BPD can be overwhelming, but recognizing the signs is a valuable step towards understanding and self-care. With support and the right strategies, BPD can be managed effectively, creating a more balanced life. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to Mind Health and You, and share it with others. Let us know in the comments if you relate to any of these signs or have personal experience with BPD. Your insights could support others. Awareness is the first step to positive change. Mind Health and You.